Hi everyone, it's Jeff here from Avada. In this video, I will take a look at how to use the Avada Counter Circles element. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to be notified of all new content. Okay, let's begin. The Counter Circles element is an animated parent and child element that allows you to display a percentage in a circle, animating either up or down. If we have a look at an example of the element here on the driving school demo, we can see it's actually 3 elements here, each in their own column. In this case, this was done to allow for a column border and some text under each element. But as it's a parent-child element, you can also have multiple counter circles within the one element if you want. I'll just edit the first one to see the options. Starting with the General tab, you can see there are very few options here, with the main one being Offset of Animation. This controls when the animation begins. Here it's set to default, which in this case is when the top of the element hits the bottom of the viewport. You can also choose top of element hits middle of viewport or bottom of element enters viewport. Under this is a margin option with which to control the margins of the element as a whole. And finally there is the usual element visibility option, which allows you to show or hide the element on various screen sizes, and the CSS class and CSS ID options for further customization with CSS. Moving to the Children tab, you can see there is only one counter circle in this element, but here you can add, clone, edit or delete the child items. Going into the individual options of the child item, we find a range of options. The first one, Filled Area Percentage, is where you set the percentage that the counter circle will fill to, or empty from if you choose Countdown a bit further down. Then there is the Filled Color, which is the color that fills around the circle. Here it's using the default of color 4. Unfilled color is of course the remaining color in the circle. The default for this one here is color 2. Counter size is next, and this controls the overall size of both the circle and the text. It can be anywhere up to 1000 pixels. I'll just set this back to where it was. There is a yes/no option to show a scale around the edge of the circle, and a countdown option as I mentioned before if you want the counter to go down instead of up. Animation speed is the penultimate option here, which allows you to control the speed of the animation in milliseconds. The final option, Counter Circle Text, is for the text in the middle of the circle. If we have a quick look at another pre-built, Avada Freelancer, we can see that these counter circles have had a Font Awesome icon added instead of text. This is done simply by inserting a Font Awesome icon shortcode into the text field. With a bit of creativity, these counter circles can be used very effectively. Okay, that's it for this video. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep up with all the latest videos. And if you have any questions or need assistance, please create a support ticket and our team will gladly assist you. As always, we want to thank you for choosing Avada.